from the Walton Insurance Group in Jackson. We've got Adrienne and Paula, and we're talking about the changes in Medicare for 2025. I want to start with you. Tell us some of the big changes.
There's going to be a lot of changes coming in 2025, as if Medicare wasn't already confusing enough.
Right.
Let's just throw in another change. So the biggest change is going to be to the Medicare Part D space, which is your prescription drug coverage.
Okay.
So whether you have a standalone Part D plan or you have a Medicare Advantage plan that offers prescription coverage, you're going to see a $2,000 max out-of-pocket cap. Now, that might sound like a lot to you, but it currently is a lot higher than that. So it's really going to benefit our clients who are on those high-cost drugs, who may be struggling, to afford the drugs. So this is really going to give them some relief to be able to afford the drugs that they're on and know that it's not more than $2,000 a year.
So that is good news because right now it's higher than that.
Significantly higher.
Okay.
Yeah.
How does Walton approach this differently when you're helping your clients go through navigate the whole Medicare, and especially some that this is your first year navigating it? It's overwhelming.
Absolutely.
Absolutely. We take a very consultative approach. Each person that comes to us individually, we look at their specific information, their prescriptions, their pharmacies. We do the hard legwork for them by learning the programs, understanding what's going to be more beneficial for each client as their unique needs need to be met. So very consultative, unique approach, individualized.
And it really is very individualized. Just because what works for your husband or your neighbor doesn't necessarily mean that's what's going to work for you.
Sure.
So that's why it's really important to reach out to somebody like Paula or myself to make sure that you're in the best plan that you should be.
And we can do that for free, right?
Absolutely.
So how do we do that? What's the best way to go about doing that?
Yeah, they can reach out to us as soon as they get their annual notice of change. So if they don't get an annual notice of change or they don't see one in the mail by September, October 1st, we can start sharing our plans and designs with them. So
I think sometimes the perception is that you either have to navigate it on your own or you have to pay someone to help you, but Walton can help walk people through
Yes,
this.
and we're happy to. We really do enjoy our job, and we really do enjoy working with the Medicare beneficiaries and helping make sure that they can save money if possible, go to the doctors that they want to go to.
I'm all about making it simpler. It seems like that's what you're doing. So
Yes.
thank you so much for that. Walton Insurance Group there in Jackson, Michigan. WaltonInsuranceGroup.com for more information. Thank you both.
Yeah, thank you.
thank you.